Hello, how's it going? This is a channel that I am starting out. It's kind of a grassroots movement here, and what it is new guitar players like myself. I've been playing a little over 2 years, and I just love the guitar. But when I started playing, I started trying to use some of the other tools that I have. Having a background as a graphic designer, I started using my computer and using tools like GarageBand and iMovie to put together these little music videos. So I welcome you to do the same and maybe help build this community. I appreciate it if you can subscribe to this channel. I'll be putting links to some tutorials that I created so maybe you can start working on doing some of these videos yourself and submitting and building this community. Thanks again for visiting, and take a look at some of the videos. They're truly amateurish, but I try to keep it around 1 minute, and let's go on this journey together and learn as we go and keep building. Thanks for visiting. Take care.